Welcome back to Turbo Car Choice, the channel where power meets style and every ride tells a story. If you're new here, get ready, because today we're diving into something truly unexpected. The 2025 black Chevrolet Kolas has arrived, and trust me, this one is about to change how you look at compact performance vehicles. So sit back, relax, and let's roll into the future. Now picture this for a second. A deep midnight black machine sitting under dealership lights, its silhouette sharp, clean, and dripping with attitude. That's the 2025 Chevrolet Kolas. Chevrolet didn't just design a car, they designed a statement. The first thing that hits you is the front fascia. Sleek LED headlights merge into a wide, confident grille. The gloss black finish gives it that stealthy, almost predatory vibe, like it's ready to move even when it's standing still. But the attitude doesn't stop at the design. Under the hood, the 2025 Kolas brings a surprising performance package for its size. Chevrolet packed in a highly refined turbocharged engine that offers punchy acceleration, smooth power delivery, and a driving feel that's way more mature than what you'd expect from this segment. Whether you're in the city weaving through traffic or opening it up on a highway, the Kolas responds instantly. The handling is tight, the steering is precise, and the suspension feels balanced enough to keep things sporty but comfortable. Inside, Chevrolet clearly wanted to elevate the entire small car experience. Step in, and you're greeted with a cabin full of premium touches. Dark leather seats with contrast stitching, a floating touchscreen that's packed with all the tech you actually want, and ambient lighting that gives the interior a futuristic glow, especially at night. The 2025 Kolas feels like a car that punches way above its class. Everything is laid out cleanly, intelligently, and driver-focused. And let's talk tech, because Chevrolet did not hold back. The infotainment system supports all the essentials like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but the real magic comes from the advanced driver assistance features. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, and a fully digital cluster that gives you customizable driving information. It's the kind of tech suite you'd normally expect from something way more expensive. But the thing that makes the 2025 black Chevrolet Kolas stand out is the vibe. It's not trying too hard. It's not pretending to be something it's not. It's simply a stylish, quick, modern ride that fits perfectly into today's world. A car that's practical enough for daily life but sharp enough to make you feel good every time you step inside. So if you're searching for a compact car that delivers attitude, comfort, performance, and tech in one bold package, the 2025 Chevrolet Kolas needs to be on your radar. This is Turbo Car Choice, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because more incredible machines are coming your way soon.